Hello YouTube, Chashtek is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix Windows Defender real-time protection can't be turned on the Windows computer. So this solution will work for all Windows operating systems. To solve this problem, open the local group policy editor. So in order to open that, click here the search icon and type here gpedit. Here edit group policy came to the screen and open that. So after the local group policy editor opened here, then we are going to fix some settings. But if this local group policy editor is missing or not enabled or not working on your computer, I have a video that I made on how you can enable or get back a local group policy editor on your computer. So you can find the link on the description box. So let's continue. After you open the local group policy editor, click on computer and configuration, here the arrow. Then after that you will find here administrative templates. Then click here the arrow, and under that you will find here Windows components. So click here the arrow, and under the Windows components scroll down to the bottom and you will find here Microsoft Defender antivirus. So select that, and after you select that, there are some settings under this Microsoft Defender antivirus, which is turn it off Microsoft Defender antivirus. So select on that or double click on it. So when you double click on it, it will give you here options. Turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus. Options like not configured, enabled, or disabled. So you can select not configured and disabled options, but you should not have to put it under the enabled one. So select not configured or disabled. So in my case, I'm going to select not configured and select here apply then, and select here OK. Then close your local group policy editor and restart your computer. So this will help you to fix the real-time protection can't be turned on problem. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.